Hey guys, welcome back to the mosquito. Dadgummit. Welcome back to the channel. Oh crap, the fan. Hang on a second. Hey, welcome back everyone. Thank you for joining me back here on My Glide Rides. As promised, I'm going to show you my way that I saved a bunch of money when you are traveling and you need additional luggage on top of your tour pack. I've got a Kimimoto bag that resembles a lot of the dimensions and size of some of the, I guess I'll use their name, RickRak bags. I personally can't afford $500, $600, $700 for one of those bags just to use occasionally. If I was maybe touring nonstop, I probably would do that, but I don't. Me and my wife, we travel a couple times a year, and I said, Eric, you can make something very similar to that. It's not exact, it doesn't have wheels, but their first ones didn't, and I will be coming up with wheels on mine. But I wanted to go over with what I deemed was a very easy process of making mine very close to a RickRak style bag. With that said, I ended up using a Kimimoto bag, and it was, it's got a lot of space in it actually. So I'm going to get you over to the workbench. I'm going to show you what I did and how I made it. It's not an exact copy of a RickRak. I like to call it RickRak. But anyway, let's get over to the workbench. I'll show you what I've done. I've actually added clamps, the exact style clamps that RickRak uses. And I'll kind of walk you through how I built it, and then we'll put it on the bag here. So again, thanks for joining me. And if you haven't already done so, hit the little bell icon. Be sure to hit like and subscribe, comment, ask me any questions that you might come up with after you watch the video. But do me a favor, please watch it to the end, and I will I very much appreciate that. So, as I said, let's get over to the workbench. And again, guys, the garage is still in progress. As you can see the floor, you'll be able to see some shelving and new cabinets and stuff like that, but still not done with it. Anyway, enough said, let's go look. All right, there we've got it. Just the Kimimoto bag, as I said, okay? It's got the nice, all these divided pockets, pockets here, pockets here, pockets here. It's got the nice big front pocket that's here. This is all weather tight. It's got the seals on it. It's got a pocket there. It's got a pocket back here that I keep the rain fly in. And then obviously another big pocket here. It's got two big handles on the side. And it does have the little straps here that you can go down around your tour pack, which makes it nice. But I wanted quick on, quick off, and this is what I did. So let's go here and take a look. All right, guys. So here we have the Kimimoto bag, as I said, and I'll just show you what I did. So I researched what kind of clamps that RickRak was using. And I ended up finding them. And here they are on the bottom of my bag, okay? See, they clamp, turn in and out pretty easy. See if I can't zoom in on for you on that one. Okay. And, of course, you can get these off Amazon. I'll put a link for them down on in the description. Okay. So anyway, let me show you how I attach these to this bag. Okay, see if we can get you up here closer. All right, so those clamps have a bolt, a threaded, receiving, a couple different sizes, but I put a metal bracket across here, just a piece of aluminum, drilled through this bag, okay? Put a little bit of silicone. I put the bolt down in there and with some thread locker and tightened it down and bolted it into the bottom of these clamps. So that was, I mean, it's a very simple process. Zip this, we'll flip this back over. So it bolted into the top of the clamps. They've actually got I think another threaded hole somewhere that you can go at an angle, but I put these straight down and we'll get over there to the bike and I'll show you just how easy it is to pop this on. All right, so here I come with the bag. Okay, just a matter of setting it on the rack, okay? That one's down. And that one's tight. If you want to, you can take these two little straps here, just go through this real quick, clip on, another one back here, clip on, and you're ready to go. That's not going anywhere. That took me about 20 seconds, 30 seconds at the tops. And I mean, I don't understand why you need to pay more for a set of wheels. Typically, you're gonna be going in with 2 helmets, maybe an extra bag. If you're going into a hotel room. Yeah, so typically, I don't know why you'd be wanting to, I mean, not unless you just want to, pay the extra money to get something that you can make. I think I have $10, $12 in these clamps. Piece of aluminum at Home Depot's $3. A couple bolts, $1.50. And some silicone. Took me maybe 30 minutes, and that was me trying to design exactly where to put it. But anyway, these clamps are down. They're tight onto this. A couple little snaps on the other side, and you're good to go. I mean, and it's just, I'll show you demonstrating, taking it off, just how quick. So you get up, snap, snap, undo the clamp here, undo the clamp here, and you're off. So I don't know why you would spend the extra money. Like I said, typically, if you're luggaging somewhere, you're probably going to have more than just this. You're going to have your helmets, maybe another bag, saddlebags full of stuff. So you're probably going to be at a hotel, possibly, that's going to have a luggage cart. So again, why do you need wheels? I mean, it's nice if this is all you're traveling with. But if you are like us, we take everything, including the kitchen sink, with us. We typically have something on top of this as well. So if you want any more information about how I made this, more in some maybe close-up photos, hit me up in the comments. I'll be glad to show that to you, but you can really do this with any kind of, I call it like a hard side bag, you know, but I have had great luck out of this Kimimoto brand. I've also had plenty of Kimimoto other items. So Kimimoto, if you want to hit me up, I'll be more than happy to put more items on my bike. So anyway, guys, that is it. I told you this was going to be just a short little video. I want to share some hacks and stuff like that that I have done. Be sure to hit like and subscribe. Check out some of my other videos. I know Sturgis is getting close. If you haven't watched my Sturgis videos, I'll put a couple of them up here and down here. And be sure to like and subscribe if you have not done so. It really helps me out. It's free entertainment. And as usual, I really appreciate you taking your time to watch my channels. And on a side note, hit a couple of other buddies of mine channels up if you hadn't done so. Mild Hogs, Kelly B. Glyden, Bogey Biker. Check out them. Also, what is it? Two Lane Life. The Blue Bike and Dole channel. Be sure to check him out as well. So anyway, guys, that's it. Y'all have a good week. Hope to see you around soon. Be safe.